Hi there, everyone out there in YouTube land. This is Karen DeFord, and I'm bringing you our new YouTube channel, The Crafty Cluckers. Yes, I did say it cluckers like a chicken because I love all things that are chicken. Here is my chicken pin cushion. Hi! Yes, there's my pin. So, I want to introduce our logo. My grandchild Quinn designed this. I got it digitized, stitched it out. You too can have a Crafty Clucker apron. Just send me an email and we could talk about it. Anyway, we're in Central Oregon and we're going to start this YouTube channel, and we are not going to get stuck on just one kind of craft. Because why? Because we are the Crafty Cluckers, and we do embroidery, we do sewing, we do card stuff. That's crafting. And we use a lot of hot glue. So if you've got your hot glue and your hot glue gun on those days, it'll be awesome. When we post a video, you will know what the craft is because we have little chickens doing those crafts. We got chickens sewing, we got chickens painting, we've got chickens making cards. And we got chickens using hot glue because, like I said, there's going to be a lot of that usage on these videos. And then just wanted to let you know that I guarantee that I will not spend 15 minutes saying hi to people that don't say hi back and having a whole conversation with somebody that you, the viewer, cannot see. That makes me crazy. So we're not going to do it on the Crafty Cluckers. So we're not having conversation with invisible people, but we will bring you content that at least will be entertaining, I hope. Check us out. Thanks for watching.